Hello lovely friends and welcome to a really special video today. Guess what's happening? There's a Dutch pour here, all in green, for the amazing Donna. From It's Art by Donna. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Donna, happy birthday to you. Did you see Donna there and all these amazing people who are celebrating with her today? This is a 3-day event and is hosted by Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. So we've got a Dutch pour today, all in greens, focusing on emerald green for Donna because that's her favourite colour. I'm using a tiny bit of fluorescent yellow to highlight the emerald green. While I'm mixing up my paints and just making sure the consistencies are all okay for this Dutch pour, I just want to say a few things about Donna. So Donna is this amazing person in our art community, a wonderful friend and such a supporter. She's funny, she's kind, she's wise, and she's always there for all of us, and we want to give something back in this 3-day event, celebrating the 7 decades of life that she has lived so fully. And a big shout out to Aishu. Thank you so much for hosting this. There's so much hard work that you put into putting this event together and making sure it's successful. And today's event was started by the amazing Brick Girls, Julie and Lucy. So if you missed theirs, please go back and have a look. And after me is the amazing Louise from Louise McKay Art. So please check out her video as well. I can't wait to see what she's created next. And all the people from today and all 3 days, the playlists will be in my description below and in my pinned comment. So I've got my gloves on today, but I can feel the paint through my gloves. I'm just really enjoying this way of just covering the canvas. You can use your fingers too, and I do sometimes. But it's just such fun just dipping your fingers in or your gloves into the paint and using them to cover the canvas. So I wrote a poem for Donna and I just want to read it out for you, Donna, just to say thank you so much for all you do. So on this day, a woman bright, a heart of gold, a shining light, 70 years, a journey grand, a life well lived across the land. Her wisdom flows, a gentle stream, a comforting embrace, a hopeful dream, with kindness sown and love so deep, a legacy of care, her spirit to keep. Thank you, dear Donna, just for being you. So I'll leave you with some music for a while, enjoy this Dutch pour, and I'll be back towards the end to show you the results.
In the stone, forever on thrones, histories made in the moments, heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight, we came to take what was meant to be ours, there's no place to hide. We came to fight. We came to take
I was thinking about the colour green and Donna and how it suits her so much. It symbolises growth and renewal and new beginnings, nature and healing, angelic connection. It also is a timeless beauty. It represents eternal life and growth. So I just want to wish Donna the 70th year filled with endless blessings and beauty. She has a heart of gold, just like the heart of a crystal. Your spirit shines bright and pure, and I hope that your 70th year be filled with love, light and joy. So I'm blowing out with a hairdryer, and you can see how I'm blowing from the wide angle. I go right down to where I want to blow it out and all the way through. And that little bit there, I'm using the edge of the hairdryer, not the wider part of it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those colours together, and it just shows what you can do with such a simple palette. There's one more bit now, and this was one of the simplest blowouts, and I often find that I spent time mixing the paints and thinking about what I wanted to do, but when it came to it, it was something completely different, and it just felt like it really represented new life and new beginnings. And the heat gun now, the heat gun and the blowtorch bring out the cells, and I've used 2 drops of silicone in this Dutch pour to create those beautiful cells. I added 2 drops to the emerald green and to the fluorescent yellow and to the lime green. So I'm using a skewer to go through and create a bit of a botanical effect. I'm going to use a bit of that fluorescent yellow just to add some finishing touches. So I want to use this opportunity now as we come to the end of this beautiful Dutch pour painting, symbolising the new beginnings of this new decade for our dear Donna. Thank you, Donna, for all that you are to all of us. Thank you just for being you. Love you so much. Thank you to dear Aishu for hosting this amazing 3-day event. Please go and check out Donna's and Aishu's channels and give them some love and support. And please go and check out the playlists of the 3 days. Oh my goodness, I'm in awe with all of the amazing people and their creations and their abilities. I'm honoured to be part of this collab today. And don't forget that your art is a piece of you. So up before me was the amazing Brick Girls, Lucy and Julie. And after me is the amazing Louise McKay art. Please stay with us and check out her channel next and see what she's created. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you to my subscribers and my wonderful members, MJ Fluid Art and Linda Curtin. I hope to see you again soon, everybody. Take care now. Happy birthday, Donna. Bye, everybody.
Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in